Good morning. I'm Arya Tamaya Shetty, Assistant Professor in the Department of Chemistry, Vijay College, Mulki. My topic is application of colloids. Contents: industrial application of colloids, cleansing action of soap, tanning of leather, rubber plating, smoke precipitation, and sewage disposal. Learning objectives: to study the cleaning action of soap, tanning of leather, rubber plating, smoke precipitation, and sewage disposal. Session outcome: student will learn cleansing action of soap, tanning of leather, rubber plating, smoke precipitation, and sewage disposal. Cleaning action of soap: most of the dirt or dust sticks on the grease or some oily material which somehow gathers on the cloth. As grease is not readily wetted by water, it is difficult to clean the garments by water alone. The addition of soap lowers the interfacial tension between water and grease. This causes emulsification of grease in water. The mechanical action such as rubbing etc. release the dirt. Tanning of leather. Tanning is the process which imparts hardness to leather. Skin and hides or positively charged colloidal soles of proteins. These are coagulated by addition of negatively charged sole of tannin present in the tea bark. By this process, the leather gets hardened and becomes fit for further use. Rubber plating. The negatively charged particles of rubber are made to deposit on the wires or handles of various tools by electrophoresis. The articles to be rubber plated are made as anode. The rubber particles migrate in an electric field towards the anode and get deposited on it. Smoke precipitation. Electrical precipitation of smoke. The smoke coming from the industrial plants, chimneys, is a colloidal dispersion of solid particles. They are carbon, dust, arsenic compounds. In air, it is a nuisance and pollutes the atmosphere. Therefore, before allowing the smoke to escape into air, it is treated by Cottrell precipitator. The smoke is first passed through series of sharp point electrodes charged to high potential of 50,000 volts. The point electrode discharge high velocity electrons that ionize molecules of air present in smoke. Smoke particles absorb these ions and become charged. The charged particles are attracted to the oppositely charged plate electrode and get precipitated. These gases that leave the Cottrell precipitator are then freed from smoke. So this is Cottrell precipitator figure. Sewage disposal. Sewage disposal consists of particles of dirt, rubbish, mud, etc., which have colloidal dimensions and carry electric charge and therefore do not settle down easily. On creating an electric field in the sewage tank, these particles migrate to oppositely charged electrodes, get neutralized, and settle down at the bottom and separated. The separated deposit then is used as manure. Digital learning, first BSc elective, Mangalore University. Thank you, one and all.